This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Dark Reader in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To install the Dark Reader extension in Firefox, what the Dark Reader extension is, it creates dark mode for your web pages. To install that, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Extensions and Themes, and click on Extensions and Themes. Now on this page that opens up, at the very top where it says Find More Add-ons, you want to put your mouse cursor in that search box and type in Dark Reader. Hit Enter. And in the search results down here, very top thing, Dark Reader, you want to click on that. And then this page right here tells you a little bit about Dark Reader. You want to go to the top. You want to click on Add to Firefox. Then you want to go off to the right here, click on Add in this dialog box here. And then you want to click on OK. Now if I go back to the Google website, as you can see it is in dark mode now. If you want to make your address bar and your tabs and your bookmark bar, all that in dark mode also, your interface, you want to go back to the extensions page. I'm going to click on the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to go down to Extensions and Themes, click on that. And then off to the left hand side you want to click on Themes. And then you want to find a dark theme. Right here I have a dark theme. I'm going to click on Enabled. Then I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to refresh. Now the whole thing is in dark mode. That is how to install the Dark Reader extension in Firefox. Thanks for watching.